Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Hyundai Accent. First, gather your safety gear like gloves and eye protection, along with a good set of jumper cables. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brake engaged. Always check the battery terminals for any heavy corrosion before you begin. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your Hyundai Accent's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Ensure all connections are secure. For the final connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Hyundai Accent's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This helps prevent sparks near battery fumes. Now, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. After this, try to start your Hyundai Accent. Once your Hyundai Accent starts, carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First the black clamp from the dead car's metal, then the black from the good battery, followed by the red from the good battery, and finally the red from your Hyundai. Drive your car for at least 15 minutes to allow the battery to recharge. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.